Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and this is I'm talking about thermodynamics and this is lecture number 2 in this series. Okay, so in this lecture I will explain you about terminology, sorry, of thermodynamics. That means different words which we use in thermodynamics, very important words. For example, the first word which is very common which we used in thermodynamics is system. So what is system? A system is defined as any portion of matter under consideration or under observation, which is separated from the rest of universe by real or an imaginary boundary. So system is a part of universe, but it is separated with the imaginary boundary or real boundary. Another very important word which is used in uh, thermodynamics is surrounding. So what is surrounding? So here surrounding means the remainder of the universe is called surrounding. Matlab other than system, whatever is left is called surrounding of the system. It means system plus surrounding plus boundary is equal to universe. Okay, now one more thing which is very important about the system and surrounding, that how will you explain this with the help of you know experiments. So let us take, normally we explain this with the help of this figure of test tube. Okay, so let us consider this as test tube. This is a test tube. Suppose something is kept inside the test tube. Okay, with something else. Now, what is the system? Normally, most of the students, even teachers, also consider test tube as a system. This is a system. Then what is surrounding? The rest of the world or universe is surrounding. But it is not true, because according to definition of system, the portion of a universe which is under observation. So normally we observe only this much or this part, this part. This is the things which we are observing. So in fact, only this portion of a test tube, which is inside the test tube, where certain chemicals are mixed, is a system. Okay? Then rest is surrounding. That means the whole laboratory, whole universe is surrounding. Okay? Then what is test tube? It is neither system nor surrounding, but this test tube is known as boundary. So now if you want to consider universe, then universe is equal to system plus surrounding plus boundary. Don't forget this, because boundary is neither in a system nor in a surrounding, is equal to universe. Okay, so universe is equal to system plus surrounding plus boundary. Okay, not only system plus surrounding. Do not exclude boundary to consider the whole universe, because boundary is neither in a system nor in a surrounding. Okay, now the most important thing in this is, what is system? Why do we consider? It is also written in definition, the smallest part of the system, smallest part of the universe. System is also considered as smallest part of the universe. That means this inside this test tube, this small portion of this test tube is considered as system. And for this system, laboratory, school or college, the whole city, the country, and the whole world is considered to be the surrounding. Now the question is that we are observing such a small portion of this test tube, then why should we consider the whole city or whole world as a surrounding? Why? Why system is the smallest part and the rest is surrounding? Why? Why can't we have a limited space around the system as a surrounding? For example, you are doing some experiments in the laboratory. Then why can't be laboratory as a surrounding? Okay. My question is, why can't a laboratory for this system a surrounding? Because system is not always the smallest part. Sometimes system is a whole universe also, or sometimes we observe a lot of things, and in that case we can't say that only smallest portion of this universe. For example, astronomers, they use telescope, Okay, and for them the system is universe. Then what is surrounding for them? What is surrounding for astronomer? So surrounding for astronomer is Earth, because they do not observe Earth, because they are standing on the Earth. So for them the whole Earth is a surrounding, but other than Earth, rest universe is system for them. So universe except Earth is a system for astronomer. So this way, for different people, different things can be system, but system will be the part of universe. Okay, and rest of the universe is called surrounding. So this is the reason we consider system plus surrounding plus boundary is equal to universe. Okay, I think this is enough in this lecture. Thank you so much.